Hello everyone, welcome to episode 113 of the castle, where today we're going to be doing marshmallows because they're delicious and I want to. Take all this newspaper and a little bit of secret sauce and we'll use that to get the bonfire going.
Dancing in the flames fast. We don't play no games, gas. Riding with a double negative. Use the force like it's a sedative. Grab the fire, feel how wet it is. I'm on a zip line with the night helmet.
Alright, time to get the fire started.
Red velvet, flying over the forest. Words like flaming swords. Hack my stuff and I got your chords. Architects
Coming along.
command soldiers like a centurion. Light a magic hands, hard with the bullion. Dancing in the flames.
Looks so cozy. Just want to put my feet up on it. Right, I'm going to warm my toasty toes up on the fire.
Monks make you take flight, bend in the space, time rewrite the lifeline. Earth is a hive, mind souls of the dead, times rivers of spirit, pay you a visit. Meadows and brooks, babbling with it. Trees whisper softly, tales of the earth. Nations destroyed and nations give birth. Psychic crystals, handful, fistfuls. Stanley sleeps in the clouds, so excellent. Childish wonder, spiritual.
Alrighty, I've piled all the wood up into a little bit of a heap. And now we have a nice little smokestack. And I'll save these marshmallows for later when it's cooled down a bit. Now I'm going to stash them in my little secret marshmallow hole by the side of the castle. Oh, these sticks are all wet, but I'm pretty sure the fire will just dry them out. Oh, I hear it. Look at it go. That's plenty of flames right there. Good. Make some
Triple six, bred to be controllable, kept inside the farm. You took Stanley's piece, you fools all set off the alarm. Dancing in the flames, through the sounds in my head. Pictures in our minds, like they're book to be read. Nights in the night, ready to fight. Astro.
Here it goes. It's a volcano. I think we've made a volcano.
Rivers of spirit, pay you a visit. Meadows and brooks, babbling with it. Trees whisper softly, tales of the earth. Nations destroyed and nations give birth. Psychic crystals, handful, fistfuls. Stanley sleeps in the clouds, so giftful. Childish, dunless, hewish, so plunder. Express my anger with a clap of thunder. Story so tragic, carved in coral, coated like.
Okay, I have wrapped all of the snacks in aluminium foil. We have 2.5 loaves of garlic bread, 2 small fish, 5 small fish, I forget, it's probably like 2 small fish, a pizza, some potatoes and some onions, and that should be pretty tasty. Alright, I'm going to put the food in the fire. We've got a pizza, 2.5 garlic breads, some fish, some onions and some potatoes.
Won't you ride us back home?
Alrighty, I climb up this wall here. Put my feet on here. Shimmy up here. We've got the little stove going on. It's kind of okay standing here with the wind blowing that way, because all the heat's going that way.
Today I moved 1,000 stones, I stacked them in the wall. The cops, they try to stop me, now they're tied up at the mall. I stack my walls while ghosts patrol the borders of my state. If you try to stop this castle, and Tartarus will be your fate. Olectralab is building up a tower tall and wide, to have a cozy book nook up high out among the tide. A cutesy pizza oven and a comfy little bed. If the army tries to stop him, then they might just end up dead.
I've got to figure out how to get down. I might just jump. Doesn't look that far, but it's kind of far when you're up here with the camera. weather is super choppy changing. It was starting to clouds, then it was perfect blue sky, and then it's thunderclouds again.
End up dead. I just crafted a chest out of wood with bronze bling. Got the jasper redstone for the arcane thing. Stacking up bases, sleeve full of aces. Turn around and shoot before 50 paces. Blueprint spread on the map.
Right, it's full on raining, but I'm going to make it so big that it won't be put out. Right, got the castle over there at the tip of my giant blurry finger. I'm going to go deliver some more wood and hopefully fire it up so hot that when the rain comes down it's just going to keep burning.
For 50 paces. Hey! Got traps in the grass, stay asleep till you step wrong. Runes in the floor, hum quiet, then they hit strong. Front gate guarded by the crew that don't blink twice. Eyes on the prize, but the price here bites. I've been meaning for the rare in the rough
the pizza on the fire, and I pushed it a little too far into the hot part, and it shrunk in size by like 10 times. And turned my pizza into a charcoal brick. So there's not much you can eat. There is this one thing on the pizza that you can eat, and this is a vegetable which somehow retained moisture and didn't get disintegrated. Zucchini's actually not bad, if it weren't for the charcoal taste in my mouth from previously trying to eat the crust. Probably the worst pizza I've ever made. Alright, this is the fire now. It's sort of died down. Got a little bit of wood still on top there. Hopefully I haven't completely destroyed all the food. The pizza's definitely wrecked, but maybe the other stuff survived.
Today I moved 1,000 rocks, I stacked them in a heap.
I was gonna come
that tried to stop me
marshmallows.
are now piled up in a heap. The 7 maids with 7 mops swept for 7 years, but this time they succeeded and the 7 maids are me. Today I moved 1,000 rocks, I stacked them in a heap. The cops that tried to stop me are now piled up in a heap. The 7 maids with 7 mops swept for 7 years, but this time they succeeded and the 7 maids are me. Foundations that I laid beneath the seabed settle deep. The roots of all my structures will soon take over the beach. The councilmen and foolish neighbors try to stop its rise, but in their foolish folly all that comes is their demise. If they come with diggers, then my ghost will come with tanks and rise their fancy dwellings into dust with fearsome, cause I'm the bank. And when they say they bought the finest lawyers in the land, my council of hijackers have them begging in the sand. Skeletons and specters and the poor souls of the land, they arm themselves with weapons and then they formed a band. They roam within the waters in the shadows and so sand. My road soon paved by the bones of the fools who force my hand. Throw me in a prison and I just multiply. Stop your parents meeting when I go back in time. Try to understand it and all that you will find is a ball of yarn inside your head that begins to unwind. I stack them in a heap. The cops that tried to stop me are now piled up in a heap. The 7 maids with 7
Yeah?
Up there, and they do carving.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Today I moved 1,000 rocks, I stacked them in a heap. The cops that tried to stop me are now piled up in a heap. The 7 maids with 7 mops swept for 7 years, but this time they succeeded and the 7 maids are me. Foundations that I lay beneath the seabed settle deep. The roots of all my structures will soon take over the beach. The councilmen and foolish neighbors try to stop its rise, but in their foolish folly all that comes is their demise. If they come with diggers, then my ghosts will come with tanks and raise their fancy dwellings into dust with fearsome, cause I'm the bank. And when they say they bought the finest lawyers in the land, my council of high judges have them begging in the sand.
I made some marshmallows. They're pretty delicious. We're going to climb down now because it's getting really hot. Alright, I'm going to brave the fire again and see if we can toast this delicious pink marshmallow. Alright, moment of truth. Oh no, there's some sort of oil inside one of the logs.
I'm stacking stones like I stack soldiers in my reins. Each one a story carved in dirt and battle tanks. The ground shakes loud, the echoes chant my name. The walls rise higher, but the war is the same. Stone and soldier, brick by brick, every crack hold secret stick. Build it tall, don't let it fall. I'm the fortress, I'm the brawl. Enter brick by brick, every crack hold secret stick. Build it tall, don't let it fall. I'm the fortress, I'm the brawl. My hands are scarred, they know the way to truth. Carry a mountain since the days of youth. Each stone I place, a memory locked inside. A shield of pain where I can safely hide. One more blood, one more chance, keep the rhythm. Hold the stance, one more blood, one more chance, keep the rhythm. Hold the stand. Stone and soldier, brick by brick, every crack hold secret stick. Build it tall, don't let it fall. I'm the fortress, I'm the brawl. Soldier, brick by brick, every crack hold secret stick. Build it tall, don't let it fall. I'm the fortress, I'm the brawl. Free from fade, the winds howl loud. They test my walls, they mock the crowd, but I won't crumble, I won't break. This tower stands for every stake. Free from fade, the winds howl loud. They test my walls, they mock the crowd, but I won't crumble, I won't break. This tower stands for every stake.
Right, the tide's coming in and it's about to swamp the castle for the first time after the fire.
Every time you try to slow me down, I just accelerate faster. New top speed now, red dot sight on you with my blaster. Thought you had me boxed in, tape shut, nail in my coffin. Now I'm picking all your locks with a razor and a bobby pin. Send you little spies.
I've got my secret stash of marshmallows.
Whisper in their skulls, voice to skull technology. I clone their memories,
secret
then I
spot.
bless them.
Swing my blade of wood and iron, water walls and a deep slate pylon. Spirits of ill flee at my blade. I called their names and they obeyed. Ancient names etched into stone. Danley's back in flesh and bone. Water, fire, air, earth and ether. Material science for the seeker. Quantum physics binding tethers. Fates etched into sand with feathers. Circles drawn into the water. Sea legend power and with mortar. We are builders all yet young. Bound to flesh with silver tongue. Knowledge burned within our core. Genetic memories, time goes war. Space and time and planets lost.
It's all whirly-pool.
Blown apart in such great
I don't have
cause.
it there.
The end of all a brand new start. Ancient fire sealed in my heart. Sealed away in ancient vaults. Stanley slept guarded by cults when the ground splits open wide. A relic stolen that split the fall.
Oh, check it out. That water is just swirling around. This camera doesn't do it justice. It's coming in real fast through the gate now. Just flooding the castle. We've got a nice little protective moat.
Places to hide, but no way to run. We
That's the
chase
castle for now.
fun through the
I
plains
love fun.
ever unseen. Creatures in the inner
Catch you back.
never see
kind of a success. The fire worked, and the marshmallows are all posted in my stomach, and I'm a happy chappy. So I'm going to call that the end of episode 113. And I will catch you next one. Boof.
We are builders, oh yet young, bound of flesh with silver tongue. Knowledge burned within our core, genetic memories, times of old. Space and time and planets lost, blown apart at such great cost. La da 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 da. The end of all, a brand new start. Ancient fire sealed in my heart, sealed away in ancient vaults. Stanley slept guarded by cults when the ground splits open wide. The relics stolen that split